Well, it's Friday out today.
As you can tell from the weather,
Sunny Friday in the Sunshine State.
that can only mean one thing.
You know what that is? Old-fashioned Friday.
Yeah.
Guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
Now today we're heading over to the whiskey bar up on 2nd Avenue.
It's got to be good with a name like that.
It has to be fantastic.
Jim Morrison with the Doors had a song about the whiskey bar.
Oh, that's true.
Was it this one in Seattle?
It could be this one. To the next whiskey bar, I think it
Yeah.
was. Now, how is this going to compare to the dealer room? Is it going to topple it? Or going to get like a 12.25 out of 10?
Well, luckily we did go back to the dealer room, did a quality check,
Quality control.
found out there's still a 12 out of 10. But this place is called The Whiskey Bar.
Yeah, so
So it's definitely going to beat the dealer room today.
it's going to have to be good,
Gonna have to be.
guaranteed.
Yeah. So I guess it's going to be somewhere around a 13 out of 10. Is my prediction right now.
13 out of 10?
13 out of 10, yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. More than likely,
Well, we're going to have to see.
yeah. What do you think?
I'll say we're going to get like a 9 out of it.
Really?
Oh, I mean, they should be able to know how to make an old fashioned, but what you guys is, you guys ever been to the whiskey bar? You guys know anything about it or tried them out? Let us know.
Whiskey bar.
Oh. Here's the Old Fashioned Friday.
Just get a smell of that.
That's pretty good. I like that. Definitely get a lot of it in your nose.
Widow Jane.
Definitely has some bite to it.
It tastes like a little bit if you had any of those whiskeys that have been kind of aged in a wine barrel before.
Yeah. That's kind of like what
It's not as strong as some of those, but it's kind of seems like it might have something on there like that.
I get some good like nostril coming up through the back of the throat.
Yeah.
That's definitely a heavy hitter.
That's a heavy hitter. Pretty good. Another fine Seattle establishment here, isn't it?
Yeah, I do like. They got a cool paintings on the wall.
I like the artwork too. Looks
Yeah.
like it's all by the same person.
And they got paintings for sale. Got a couple women on there.
Yeah.
Quite nice.
I like the vampire chick down
Oh
at
yeah.
the
We'll have to get a picture of that later on. Now, have you guys ever checked out this whiskey bar in Seattle? Have you had an old fashioned from them? We decided not to. They have we're here at a happy hour, but we didn't get the happy hour.
No.
It is kind of a rough neighborhood coming up this way on 2nd.
It was colorful.
Yeah, there was
It was a colorful neighborhood.
colorful people on the way up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
A little,
cool.
kind of a bright and airy sort of place in here, right?
Yeah, like, we got a big skylight and stuff up here, and then we got like kind of like a light yellow cream. Makes it feel really, really airy.
Yeah.
We got a lot of whiskey though.
I got a lot of whiskey here.
I guess that's why they call it the whiskey bar. Is it all whiskey though? I wonder if it's all whiskey.
I mean, I see some beer on tap.
So is this creeping up to the dealer room yet?
Not for me, no.
It's not up there. Has your expectations been dampered a little bit?
Well, the first couple of sips of this particular one, I'll say, like the Goldfinch, an 8.0 for me. What do you give it? haven't heard what you're gonna call it yet.
I want to say a 7.9.
7.9. That's reasonable, I think.
But it is smooth. It's a little bit on the higher end of the burn scale, with a little bit less of the sugar backbone in there with the bitters.
Yeah.
It could use a little bit more sugar, but
Could use a little more sweetness.
I mean, but yeah,
Yeah.
for the price and the Seattle,
Yeah. I agree. Could use a little bit more sweet.
I do like the bar.
I like it too.
I'm give the bar like a 8.5 out of 10. It's a nice, beautiful looking bar.
Oh, that's cool.
I think they got some badass food here too. I think.
Food?
Yeah,
Oh, really?
yeah. So it doesn't topple the dealer room though.
No, dealer room still kind of holding its own.
Now, what do you guys think? What's your favorite cocktail lounge in Seattle? Where do you guys think you can find the best old fashioned in Seattle? Let us know what you guys think. You think anybody's gonna be able to tell us there's something better than the dealer room?
Yes, I do.
I mean, there must be a hidden gem somewhere.
Maybe.
I mean, the dealer room was just a random walk home. We just popped in there, so
Yeah.
it wasn't like we were.
All right.
Like, I've never seen anything anything online talking about the dealer room. You know, the search for the old fashioned. When we started our search, there was nothing about the dealer room really. It was just off the train station at Symphony, so we're like, hey, this is on the way home, so.
I think
Sure.
it's like a fishing hole.
What's that?
I think it's like a fishing hole.
What do you mean?
Well, because, if you fish and you have like a nice hole,
Oh,
you don't really like just put it out there.
yeah, you don't want to tell anybody.
It's kind of like, like all these like great spots that are hit on Instagram, and then all of a sudden everybody will start showing
Yeah.
up, and because it does have like a good crowd in there. It has a fun crowd.
Yeah.
The dealer room has like fun people that are in there. It's fun
Okay,
bar.
forget about the dealer room.
Delete.
It doesn't exist.
Yeah.
Well, so what do you think? That was.
I'm sticking with my first. Yeah, it's good.
Well, should we? What do you think? Should we do? Should we head home or have one more?
Couldn't hurt.
Let us know what you guys think about the whiskey bar. If you guys ever been here and had an old fashioned here, what do you guys recommend? Well, let us know. We'll see you on the next one.